Hello, welcome back to another video. You are watching Billion TV and my name is Billion. In today's video, we have Sana once again and he has something special to show us today. Welcome to the channel, Sana.
Yes, today, wonderful viewers, we have a three-bedroom bungalow. It's newly finished in Bigelow right here. It's just 2 plots away from the main road that is about to be constructed. Okay. So yeah, we are here in Bigelow with Billion TV. So thanks so much, for subscribing to the channels. Keep on following Velvet Properties and Billion TV. So let's get right in.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, so let's get right inside
the house. Okay.
Yeah, this is the living room.
Okay.
Or you can say the sitting room.
Okay, the living room or the sitting room, yes. It's all the same. Okay.
So that's it. And you have one ceiling fan, you have 3 windows.
Okay.
Yes, and this
is the dining area.
Yeah, the dining area.
Okay.
And then you have access to
the kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is it. This is the place for the kitchen.
Okay, that's the kitchen.
As you can see, the kitchen cabinets haven't been installed yet, and the water in the wash hand basin.
Okay.
And the back door isn't painted as well.
Okay.
But everything will be done, inshallah. So, and this is the storage room.
Okay.
A place for the storage.
Okay, that's the storage room. Huh?
Yes. Yeah.
So the storage room.
That's the storage room. And then let's go to the master bedroom.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the master bedroom.
Okay, that's the master bedroom.
Yeah.
Okay.
The master bedroom with the bathroom.
Okay.
So this is the bathroom, and that's the bathtub. And the water heater as well.
Good.
This is the master bedroom, so let's go check the other 2 remaining.
Okay, the other 2 bedrooms.
Yes.
Okay.
So this,
that's a room?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a decent sized room.
Okay.
So that's the bathroom. It's a shared one. That's the bathroom.
Okay. Okay, that's bathroom is also for the guests too.
Yeah, for the guests.
Okay.
And then this room, another bedroom.
That's another bed.
Yeah, this one goes with a bathroom inside with water heater.
Okay. This room goes with a bathroom?
Exactly.
Okay. So we have 3 bedrooms?
3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms.
3 bathrooms?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, okay.
Yeah. Yes. with the dining area, kitchen. So, yeah. Veranda here.
Okay.
So you have enough space to park your vehicle.
Okay.
Or to entertain guests.
And that's the boss quarters?
Yes, the boss quarter. It has a bathroom inside.
Bathroom inside, okay.
So this is it. It's a 3-bedroom, 3 bathrooms in here in Bigelow.
Okay.
So it's closer to the road they're about to construct. I think it's the OIC project.
Yes, that's the OIC
project. It
project.
goes through Sukuta campaign all the way to Coco Ocean.
Okay.
Yes. So this is it.
Okay, the house is not furnished as I saw inside. It's not yet furnished. So, is it going to be furnished or is going to be sold like this?
No, it's going to be sold as it is.
Okay, it's going to be sold as it is.
Yeah, unfurnished.
Unfurnished.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very important.
It will be completed. The kitchen will be taken care of.
Okay.
You know, the kitchen, the wash hand basin isn't fixed yet.
Okay.
So all those things will be sorted.
Sorted out. Okay.
Yeah.
So it also has a borehole, I see.
Yes, that's a borehole.
Okay.
Overhead water tank.
Okay.
So you see, water
would not be a problem here.
Definitely.
Okay.
Water. You have enough space here also. You can see, you can either extend this, or you can
leave it as it is.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So as you can see, it's a nice area. So that's the door.
Okay, so that's the back door. Okay, that's the back door. That's to the kitchen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
Whoa. Let's talk about the house now.
Yes, the house, wonderful views. As you can see, we did a complete tour of the house.
Okay.
So it's a 3-bedroom with 3 bathrooms.
3 bathrooms.
It has borehole, overhead water tank. It has ceiling fans, you know, and it has a decent space, ample parking space.
Okay.
So yeah, so pretty much this is it, you know. So if you have any questions, contact us, you know. We'll be more than willing to help you go through it, you know. So the links will be on your screen.
Thank you for watching Billion TV. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please consider to subscribe and click on the bell notification, and you are going to be the first person to see our next video. Bye from us.